Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and loading key components so flavors balance quickly. Add 1 cup cold milk, 2 scoops chocolate ice cream, and 2 tablespoons cocoa powder into the blender. Once done, include 0.5 teaspoon vanilla and 1-2 tablespoons sweetener if you want it sweeter. Salt enhances chocolate, so a pinch helps. Make sure to put ice or 1/2 cup crushed ice only if you need a thicker texture, and lock the lid so blending begins safely and efficiently. You now focus on texture control, pulse 3 brief times to combine solids, then blend on medium for 20-30 seconds so everything emulsifies without overheating. Once blended, stop and scrape down the sides to fold entrapped powder in chunks. This ensures uniformity. If the shake is too thick, make sure to add 1-2 tablespoons milk and blend again. If it lacks chocolate depth, a touch of instant coffee or extra cocoa sharpens flavor, so adjust gradually and taste as you go. You finish by pouring the shake into a chilled glass and adding garnishes like whipped cream or chocolate shavings to elevate presentation. Serve immediately for best texture. Once poured, rinse the blender right away and soak the blade jar briefly to prevent hardened residue, then wash. If the shake turns out watery, add another scoop of ice cream and reblend. If grainy from undissolved cocoa, blend a bit longer or warm slightly and re-emulsify. This troubleshooting step usually fixes texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.